crust, the symphony of flavors that dance in harmony with every bite. Well, wonder no more. In the next 6 minutes, we'll unravel the secrets of the perfect homemade pizza. A great pizza begins with a great crust. Begin by mixing 4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1½ cups of warm water. Add 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast and a pinch of sugar to help the yeast bloom. Stir the mixture gently and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This gives the yeast time to activate, which is crucial for a fluffy and crispy crust. While the yeast does its magic, focus on the pizza sauce. For this, simmer together 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a handful of fresh basil leaves, a teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of salt and pepper. Let it cook on a low flame for about 20 minutes. The secret here is to let the flavors meld together and create that perfect balance of tangy and sweet. Once the yeast mixture is frothy, stir in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and the rest of the flour. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, about 10 minutes by hand. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. While the dough rises, preheat the oven to the highest temperature setting. A hot oven is the secret to achieving that perfect golden brown crust. When the dough has doubled in size, punch it down and divide it into 2. Roll out each piece on a floured surface until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Spread a generous amount of the homemade sauce on each pizza base. Top with your favorite ingredients, maybe some fresh mozzarella, pepperoni, or even a handful of arugula. Slide the pizza into the hot oven and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, each oven is different, so keep a close eye on the pizza. When the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling and slightly browned, the pizza is ready. To summarize, making a perfect pizza at home involves making a yeast-based dough, creating a homemade sauce, topping with your favorite ingredients, and baking in a hot oven. It may seem like a lot of steps, but each one brings you closer to that perfect slice of pizza heaven. So the next time you're yearning for a slice of pizza, skip the takeout. Instead, embrace the joy of making your own pizza at home. After all, nothing compares to the satisfaction of biting into a pizza that you've crafted with your own 2 hands. It's a labor of love, an exercise in patience, and most importantly, a deliciously rewarding experience. Enjoy!